such a mess in here. I don't think I have a spot for my coffee. Hold on. Just leave it over there. Good morning, guys. Oh, it feels so weird being in front of the camera. I think I've gone 2 weeks without filming a vlog, so if today's vlog is a little bit awkward, I apologize. So I hope everyone so far has had a wonderful holiday. I think I'm posting this roughly around New Year's, so Happy New Year's if you guys watch it after 2020. Yay, we're finally done. Are we? Are we finally done? So I probably need to explain a little bit of why I took so long to put out a vlog. Obviously with the holidays it's a little bit more hectic and I don't like posting around the holidays so everyone can enjoy family time and stuff if you do actually get a chance to go see family. So this month has been a little bit hectic for me and I kind of want to go over things, but let's deal with all this fabric first and get it out of the way. That way we can start working on something. Also, this is probably going to be the first thing we'll work on, is I got a bunch of like panels of fake like shrubbery, and I mainly got this for like filming. So what I need to do today is stick them all together. They're a little bit cheaper than some. Usually some have like little clips, but these ones don't. So we'll have to probably tie them together. But I got a bunch of these, and I'm going to make a backdrop for taking photos of my art dolls. I'm just trying to mess around with taking better photos. I have such a hard time making a pretty background. I figured let's like start investing in a pretty background for taking photos. So I think there is 12 of these, so it's a pretty decent size background. I mean, sometimes I make bigger things that this probably won't work for, but most of them should work with this background. Okay, got that out of the way for now, and we can work on showing off these and putting them away. Normally I don't have this much fabric all kind of accumulated from ordering, but through the holidays they had a lot of sales and I had to order things for commission, so every time I made an order I was like, I'm gonna throw something small in just for later. So this one we'll start with, since it's on the top. I'm trying to get the light to actually see it, but it's kind of like a bluish green and then it's got like a silver over it, and it's actually like stretchy lace. So I figured this would be really cool to make like dragon wings out of. And it actually was, none of these were super expensive even before the discount. If you guys are curious, I normally buy from Big Z's Fabric, not affiliated with them at all, but I absolutely love them. It'd be nice to be affiliated with them because I buy mainly just from them. I don't think I really buy anything else nowadays, just because they have the best prices and I've had wonderful customer service from them, and I've dealt with other fabric companies where it hasn't been so nice. And then I got this one. This is going to be the wings for a commission. I'm doing a Monster Hunter creature. I'm not sure if you guys can guess which one this is going to be, but the fur fabric is also for it. I'll leave that a secret for now, but it was a commission, but I am going to do a tutorial on it. Ooh, this one I love. I want to get the other colors in this because it's a lot better than I thought it was. I just need to open it where you guys can actually see it. I thought this would be more like thicker and like more leathery, but it's really soft. And it's kind of like velvety, and it's embossed to where it has like crocodile skin texture to it. But it's super soft, and it's also like not stretchy at all, so it works really well. I like not super stretchy fabric for the bodies because it just doesn't like crease and it's easier to stuff. Get a little bit of a close-up for you. Yeah, there we go. Now you can actually see the texture of it. And then I guess reversible sequins has been kind of less popular. I have to check. I think they don't have very much on their site anymore, but this was on sale for only like $11 on their site. I think there's still some of it, but I think it's going out of stock to where they're not going to make it anymore. But it's like this kind of champagne red, and then it's got like a tan color on the other side. It's actually a lot more red on camera. It's kind of like a bit softer of a red in person. Again, it's more of a champagne color. And then I just got this because I'm low on just plush, plain fabric, and I thought I'd get a purple. So nothing fancy about this one. And I think this is the last one. It is the fur fabric. This one was probably the most expensive thing that I got. But it was, again, for the one commission. But it's a really pretty, like, blue with black highlights. And I would definitely use it for other things than the commission because this would be a lot of fun. I love this color. Okay, so I'm gonna get these all put away and then we can start on our projects. Okay, my coffee can actually be over and I don't have to worry about fur getting into it. So I need to find something that we can tie these together with. I'm thinking my fishing line should work. And it's a bit of a pain to tie, but it would be more sturdy than using just normal string or thread. Yeah, this should work. So I should probably give you guys a bit of an update, let you know what's been kind of going behind the scenes. I haven't talked to any of you or anybody really at all about this, but pretty much one reason that things might take a little bit longer with vlogs and putting videos out. I'm going to do my best, by the way. I'm going to try my best to keep everything as put together and scheduled as possible, but basically I've been having some doctor appointments. So we don't know really what is going on, but I've been having some issues that have been going on for quite a while, and we're trying to figure it out. So I went in once to see somebody, and they sent me to get some tests. And because it was so close to the holidays, I still don't know what those test results are. But yeah, I will give you guys more of an update on what's going on with that. For now, since I don't know what's going on, I'm not going to speculate on it, but everything is fine for now. Everything will be fine, and we just got to figure it out and actually start doing stuff about it. So just wanted to let you know that might be why there might be a random week where it's like, oh, I just can't get a video out. And it's because of that. Or other reasons, but it could be because of that. Anyways, let's get back to doing something fun. I don't like talking about negative things on here, but I figured you guys at least needed an update. That way you kind of knew what was going on. But yeah, let's see how this is looking. I've got 4 of them kind of almost put together. I think I need to fluff up some of the pieces here and there because there's some little flat spots from them being in the box, but that looks pretty good. Again, there's 12 of them, so I need to get all 12 of them together. So it's probably going to be like a 3x6. Is that right? No, a 3x4. Yeah, 3x4. Okay, I finally got them all put together. Let's see how this looks. See, that's not a bad size. Here, let me get out of the way so you guys can see it. But see, that's not a bad size. See me? That should work really well. I mean, it's like, I can see through it. The camera can kind of see through it, so putting it up against a background that's also green would probably kind of make it look fuller, because I don't want it to be in front of a white wall and you see white peeking through. I want it to actually look like solid shrubbery. But besides that, it looks really good. Anyways, it's kind of getting a little bit late. I started a little bit late, but I think I'm going to make some lunch. I'm thinking I might do a salad. Yeah, my lettuce is still good. I think I'm gonna do that. Oh, you can probably see my little painting in the background. I'm leaving it here so it's safe and where it won't get damaged or anything because it's drying. Didn't really have anywhere else to put it. I've been slowly trying to do kind of oil painting studies just so I could kind of practice. It's been nice. Try to do it at night or on the weekends whenever we just don't have anything to do. I don't think I have any tomatoes. It looks like I threw a ton of chicken in, but it's just because I decided to not mix it. It's all on the top. Okay, I'm nice and full and I'm ready to start on some work finally. It has been a little bit of a slow day. So I'm going to be working on these little guys. These are going to be mandrakes. If you guys caught yesterday's tutorial, I made a mandrake, and these are going to the same person that commissioned that. They liked it so much that they wanted to make more of them. So we got one with little crystal teeth and then one that's screaming. And I need to start sewing and putting the bodies together. So these little guys have been quite interesting to make. Normally I don't do too many plant type creatures, but I think I want to try more. You know what? One thing that would be really cool is the fake shrubbery and even the fake grass. If I decide to like cut any of it up for a better backdrop, I might save some and use it in a creature. That could be actually really cool. Also, I could just buy some for a creature. I got lucky. I found someone that was selling it for like, I think it was $40 after tax, but the other shops, it was like the same thing, but like everywhere else it was like $140 for that. And you had to be careful reading through it to figure out how many you're getting and the size and everything like that. So it took me a while to find a really good buy on that. But if I find the same thing for the same price, it would not be that bad for making some type of art doll with. I'm still really excited to start messing around with taking photos and making like a backdrop and stuff that's a bit more realistic. What I really need to do, but I don't want to go anywhere because it's crazy right now, it's still kind of around the holiday season, is I should go to Hobby Lobby and go into their fake plant section and pick out like long grass and maybe like some fake branches. One thing I was thinking, if I want to use real branches, I could kind of walk around the property and cut some off of the dead bushes that we have everywhere. So if you guys have any suggestion on like what to do for fake plants and stuff, let me know. I think my idea, like the best idea I have right now is the Hobby Lobby, going and seeing how everything is, but I know it's going to be expensive. Being around the holidays, I could get Christmas themed plants probably pretty cheap. If they still have Halloween type things, I could do that, but I think most of it's pretty expensive. Like, I've looked at it before and I've never like decided to go buy any of it, but I want to get a decent amount for my money. I don't want to spend like hundreds of dollars on fake plants. I'd rather spend that on real plants that could die. Okay, I got one done. I'm going to cut up the back. That way I can flip it. And he's a little flat now. Obviously, we gotta put a wireframe and stuff on him and everything. But if you guys saw the tutorial, I added lumps here and there over the body, and I'm gonna do the same thing with these too. So yeah, got that, and he's gonna get this. So I'm gonna sew on his little stem, and then I'm gonna start on the other one, and then I think I'm gonna do a little bit of sewing on our other tutorial that's gonna come up soon. Okay, I got a little bit more time before I need to call it good for the day, and I figured we'd do a little bit more sewing. So I need to get this piece done, so it's kind of a bit of a spoiler, but this is the Northern Lights cat that I'm gonna be doing a tutorial on. So I've got most of the body all put together, but I need to close up the back legs and stuff and shave them and add the extra detail. But you can kind of see what I'm going for. I've got the tail. I really am happy with this, and it was definitely worth sewing all these colors together. But yeah, I'm gonna bend his tail up like that and put him in kind of an awkward position. Actually, I can probably use the tail to kind of prop him up like that. There we go. Okay, and I'm just gonna sew the backs of these, and I need to get some stuffing. I've been actually really wanting to get this one done. I've been slowly kind of working on it while trying to finish up these commissions, and I'm really happy with it. You can kind of see what I did with the claws. Did something a little bit different with those, kind of showing off the same colors that are in the tail. And I'm really excited to get it to the point where we can add the little things that we made. I can't remember what vlog we did, but we made these little things with the fishing wire. And I'm really excited to glue them in place on the body and see how it actually looks. I'm trying to figure out if there's a way I can like straighten those a little bit, because they are kind of curved. Or am I just going to leave them curved? I don't know. I don't think there's much of a way to straighten them out. Maybe heat, but I'm afraid I might melt the fishing line. I also made sure to spend some time with the face a little bit more, because last time I made a cat, which I think was like the only time I ever made a cat creature, the nose looked a lot like a dog nose, so everyone thought it was like one of the like smushed in dog faces, even though it was a Persian cat. So I put a little bit more time and I slowed down around that, and I think the nose looks okay. I think it looks like a cat nose at least. So I was trying to clean up for the end of the day because I'm getting ready to start editing, and I realized that I had some molds sitting off to the side for horns, and I poured these over the weekend because I was using resin, and I used a lot more resin than I needed, so I made some horns. I hate wasting stuff, so I made these. I forgot to demold them. I just took them out, and I think they look really cool. Let me show you guys. So I tried something a little bit different with these. Basically, I used a white mica powder first, and then I saved a tiny bit and I added a pink mica powder, and then I just kind of like poured it and it sunk down, so it creates this cool kind of fade. And I normally don't work with pink too often, so I kind of just wanted to try it out because I didn't use the color yet. And I think they look really cool. I think they would actually look really pretty on a red dragon or like an all white dragon with hints of pink. which I have tons of fabric to pick from for that, so these might be in a different project later on. Don't have time to really mess with that for today. Like I said, I need to start on my editing, and I actually have new editing software on a new computer that I need to start learning how to do. So once I finish this vlog, I'm going to be editing something else on there. So I'm not comfortable yet enough with the new editing software, so I've been still working on iMovie, and the new software I'm now using is called DaVinci, and oh, there's so much to it. So I need to practice with that. I also need to get the vlog done. My goal is to actually have it where with the vlogs we still film and edit and stuff and do it on iMovie, so I can leave it on my computer and kind of edit a little bit as I go. But with the tutorials, I want to use the new software so I can try new things with it. Vlogs I'm not so picky about. I just kind of have a fun day with you guys. But tutorials, I want to kind of step my game up a little bit. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Make sure to like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!